rise, please.
Hey, good morning, Mr. Schneider. Want to come on up? So we're here on a show cause hearing, failed to appear for a preliminary examination on April 17th. How do you want to address the show cause?
Well, there was no, I did not disobey an order, and there was no willful neglect on my part, nor anybody's part. I was in fact here in the courtroom on April 17th on another matter, past 11 o'clock. I was not aware of the hearing. It was put on my calendar for April 24th rather than the 17th. When I got back to the office, I believe the court called our office and I was informed that there was a hearing. And so I could return, but it was probably close to noon. So the message that I got through the court was, well, we'll reschedule. I didn't think there'd be any more ramifications.
Weren't you also offered an opportunity to Zoom in?
No. I was going to hold the examination. I believe our pre-trial conference form shows that we will hold, but I did have some inquiries to make of the trooper who arrested her. So,
Did you want Ms. Roberts to zoom in?
My understanding is that you were aware of the hearing before you left the courthouse.
that's incorrect.
Because Ms. Roberts.
Well, Your Honor, if this, I guess, this is serious ramifications to hold me in criminal contempt. I could,
Well,
so I guess we'd have to have a hearing. I mean,
you want an attorney.
well, no, I don't want an attorney, but I would like to have someone testify.
But, I didn't want to make a big deal out of this, but, what I was told, I'll just tell you what I was told is that you were still here in the courthouse when you were told about the fact there was a hearing. Ms. Roberts.
So what it was is Ms. Roberts and I had a conversation and it was, do you want me to call or do you want to call? Ms. Roberts said, I will call. She walked out of the courtroom and called you on the phone, informed you of the prelim, said we haven't held the prelim yet. And she said, you can zoom in, and you said, no, I'm not going to. And she walked back in the courtroom and told me that.
There was no such phone call.
Okay, well, maybe we do need to get more information and set this for a hearing.
Anything further?
Well, not on that case, other than setting a date for that hearing. So we'll
Sure.
subpoena Ms. Roberts.
About May 6th at 10 or at 9:30.
That'll be fine.
Actually, I'm sorry, make it 10 a.m. I forgot that's drug court day.
All right, we're all set.
Thank you.
Mr. Kane, are you ready?